Happy Thursday! It's just Carl and Brooke for this video. Someone had to work.
Yeah, she had to work. But she's in our memory, in our thoughts. We'll be thinking of her. It's just such a beautiful day out. It is 77 and sunny. We thought the perfect day to go kayaking.
So our first stop, of course,
Timothy Hortons. We are going to be going downtown to Canal Side to go kayaking on the Lake Erie, the greatest lake of all time.
Yeah.
Speed limit on the canal is 5 miles per hour, so that there's no waves, so that they do not rock my little canoe or any paddle boaters. But really, it's a beautiful day out here on the lake. Hello, fireboat, train station, the arena. That's General Mills. If you guys love Cheerios, let me know in the comments below. This is where your Cheerios are made. And it smells really fresh, like Cheerios or Lucky Charms, my personal favorite. And the workers in the commercials are actually dressed like that, as you can see. Under a bridge, it's kind of scary. There's Riverworks, a big boat, Tewksbury Lodge. They were not going 5 miles an hour, I can tell you that. And those two thought it would be okay to crash into me almost, so I had to avert mission, or else I would have crashed into a boat. So much drama!
When you die, the keys to heaven can't be bought. We still don't know what love is, but we sure know what it's not. Sometimes you got to get along down the road. We got a long, long way to go. Scared to live, scared to die. We ain't perfect, but
So we just got done with the kayaking. We were out for an hour, and it was nice.
Carly she had a little accident. She got out just soaked, and I don't think it was water.
It was.
But yeah, I had a really great time. What do you think?
I agree.
Overall, I'd rate that experience a 10 out of 10.
Look at my nose.
Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed our kayak adventure.
Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will provide more great vlogs.
So yeah, see you again next Thursday. Goodbye for